Hey, this is Dave, and I want to welcome you to video number 4. We're going to talk to you today about doing more design work on your affiliate site. Now, we're working on the high rank affiliate site, and we're going to jump right in there, folks. Let's get started. So right now, on the last video, we made sure we were in the menu. We added, four categories. We added the legal pages. The only other thing I wanted to add here was a custom link, and we're going to just grab this site right here, and we're going to have what's called a home site. Okay, so we're going to pop that in, and we're going to call this home. Okay, so that way when somebody's on the site, now I'm going to show you what I mean by that here, and let's just drag this up to here and put it right there. Okay, perfect. We'll hit save menu. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about here, when you go to visit this site, you're going to have a home button. So that way, no matter where everybody is, you can always come back to the home part. Okay, perfect. Now, the other thing we're going to do here is we're going to add a contact form because we want to make sure people can contact you. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add another plugin called Contact. I'll show you here right now, contact form. So contact. Okay, and it's this one right here, contact form 7. So we're going to go ahead and hit install. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and activate it. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to come over to contact, and we're going to hit add new. Okay, now as you're going to see here, and I'm going to just call this contact us. Okay, and nice thing about it is having different sites, I can compare what I've done on somewhere else. So I'm just going to go ahead and look and see here what I did. So I can compare notes. Okay, so let me bring this up closer here so I can compare the two. So this is the one we're working on right now. So you should see your name, your email, subject, your message. Your name, your email, subject, your message. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and click on mail. All right. Now here's what you want to do here. You want to make sure that you change these things here. So on mail. So you want to make sure your to is to your email. Okay. So now your to, just make sure that, yeah. So to, you want to use your email. So I'm going to just do Dave at snaponlinebusiness.com. Okay, and then from, same thing. Okay. All right, so Dave at snaponlinebusiness.com. And folks, if you ever want to get a hold of me for any reason, use that email right there. You can get a hold of me, no problem. I'll be happy to help you. Now, I like to use something different here on the subject. So let me copy it, paste it. It just helps me see what so contact, okay? And I'll let you type that in if you like. So I like to it just stands out. So when I get an email notification that somebody's put in a contact, this is what I like to use right there. So I use that right there, okay? And then the reply to your email, same thing. Everything else looks the same. So let me just see here, reply to your email. Okay, so then I'm going to go to messages, and I don't touch anything in here. Additional settings, leave that all alone here. So I come back here and I hit save. Okay, now mail, invalid syntax use. Let me see here. What did I do wrong here? Okay, so on the mail, oh, forgot to do that right there. Okay, so come back to mail, and I'm going to do that there. And that there. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, why is it still doing that? Let me see here. Not sure here. Let me try something again here. Should be working. And as you can kind of see, all right, let me go ahead and just take this whole thing again. That's the nice thing about it is, and I will pop that in there, and then I'll change the domain. snaponlinebusiness.com. Okay, perfect. Let's hope this saves this time. It's not going to cooperate. All right, let's try something different here. Yeah, this is so weird. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy. It is not going to let us cooperate, is it? Let's try it again here, folks. Okay. All right. Now, I don't mind going through this because we do these videos live. So let's go ahead and, okay, so you can do that if you want to, but I get a little impatient. So I must have figured out, must have did something wrong here. So site title, dave@snaponlinebusiness.com. I do here. Okay, everything looks good there. That is so bizarre. Come up and clear the cache. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to wrap up this video. We're going to come back to the next one, and hopefully we should have this all figured out here. Actually, you know what? Sorry, let me jump ahead here. What I'm going to do here is I'll fix this, and I'll let you know in the next one what I did to fix this. But I'm going to go ahead and hit copy. Okay. Oh, actually, you want to make sure you're copying this code right here. Okay. Come on up to Pages, and you want to hit Add New. And you want to do Contact. Okay. And then all you're going to do is come down, click on Text, and you're going to drop that code right there. Okay. And then hit Publish. And then let's go ahead and view this page. Contact. So now if somebody wants to send you a message, that's usually what they do. Okay. Now what I like to do here, if you want to look at some of the other sites I've done here, let's go ahead and move this out of the way here. So here's a site that I did called, so the Social Buzz Connect. Let me see here how I did that. So on Contact, right there, Contact Us. Now you can do Contact Us, Contact. It's really up to you what you want to do. Okay, so I kept that one pretty straightforward. There's another site I have, which is called getsurvivalskills.com. Okay, Contact Us. What did I do here? So if you want to add a few things in front of it, so I put have some feedback, need to get in touch. Great, then please use the form. So what I'll do is I'll copy that there because I like that I used on one of the other sites. I'll copy it. I'll go back to here. And now here's the thing. I don't want to mess this up. So I will go like that. And then paste that right there. Talk soon. Okay. And I'll hit update. And let's go ahead and have a look at the site here. Actually, let's try this one more time here, folks. Okay, so there's the contact. So you can add something in front of it. Now, the other thing you want to do is you want to add an About Us page. So here's what I like to use for About Us, and it can be About Us, it can be an About. So, you know, just write something neat. And if you want to learn what I did, go to getsurvivalskills.com, click on the About. You want to put a picture of yourself, you know, grab some information. But all you're really going to do is come back to here. Okay. And you're going to create another page called an About. And it can be About Us. It can be About. I'll just call it About. I'll go About Us. Okay. You type some stuff in here. This is a site about affiliate marketing. Okay, and get a little personal here. Oh, affiliator marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. And then if you want to add a picture of yourself, you're going to click on that bar right there. Oh, actually, sorry. Don't worry about that. You're going to actually click on Add Media, and you're going to upload a file. Select file, and you're going to add an image. Okay. So come down to menus. Oh, actually stay on page. So I'm not going to publish this page. Well, actually, yeah, let me go ahead and publish it. Okay. And I'm going to come back down to menus, and I want to make sure that these pages are in there. So menus, and you know, we're going to add an About Us, and a contact. Add to menu. Now, About Us, I always like to make sure that is right up there. Sorry, keep it straight. And then the contact right there. Okay, save the menu. Okay, there we go. That's quite a few, but you can always, you know, put the About Us under the contact. You know, you can kind of play around a little bit if you want to. You know, if you want to do right there, I've seen people do that too, and it works quite good. Okay, so there we go. It might be a little bit better. So contact and About Us. Okay, perfect. All right, folks. Now the next thing what we're going to do here is we're going to talk to you about how to get some posts going. Okay, and I'm going to say right now, there's a lot of different scams out there. You know, don't spin content, don't buy PLR content. You want to make sure your content is unique. Okay, now there's a few things you can do. Okay, you can write your own content, but let's face it, nobody wants to do that. I hate writing content. That's something I don't want to do. You can go to a place called Upwork. Let me go to the site here. It's called upwork.com. And you can get somebody to write an article for you. You can use, and I'm actually going to be giving you access to a couple other services that I use. You know, the main thing about your content is you want to make sure that it is unique, and you want to make sure that it's well written. If you don't want to write it yourself, which I don't blame you, use a company called Upwork. Okay. There's other companies out there. Don't use Fiverr or anything like that. And but Upwork works really good. I've had quite a few articles. Actually, every one of my articles on Get Survival Skills was written by somebody on Upwork. Okay, and you know, and by the way, I use all the images from Canva too, so it works out quite well. So what we're going to do, and we're going to spend more time on this later in other videos. We will talk about other ways you can get content going. But for right now, we're going to wrap up this video and we're going to jump into the next video, which we're going to show you how to start getting some traffic. And this is starting to get fun, folks. But before you actually want to apply these traffic methods, you want to make sure that you have at least 5 articles on your blog. Okay. But again, we'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.